Welcome! In this video, we will see the various ways of drawing circles in AutoCAD. First method is drawing a circle with a random radius. When you know the radius, select Circle option with radius. Type the radius value and press Enter. Similarly, diameter can be entered directly using the diameter option in the Circle menu. When you have to draw a circle passing through two points, select Two Point option. Here we draw a circle that passes through 3 points. Option is 3 point in the Circle menu. Select point 1 and move the cursor. The circle gets created with the second point. Clicking the third point fixes the circle. Now we will see how to draw a circle that touches 3 lines tangentially. Click anywhere on each of the 3 lines. The circle gets created. This is a way of drawing a circle touching 2 lines tangentially. Touch the 2 lines anywhere, fix the center and drag and release the mouse. If a fixed radius is needed, it can be entered after fixing the center point. These are the various ways of drawing a circle in AutoCAD. Thank you for watching.